Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to log out your account on X, on Twitter. The first step is go to the application of X, of Twitter, and after that you need to go here in your feed in the superior left corner. This is the option of your profile here, and after that you need to go to the option of settings and support, and you need to pick here in this button in the right side of the settings and support, and you got two options. This button gives you two options: settings and privacy and health center. You need to pick here in settings and privacy, and after that you need to go to the option of your account, and here you got the option of deactivate your account if you want, or you pick here in account information and you pick in logout, and that's it. If you want to open again, log in your account, the only thing you need to do is enter in the application of X, put your email and your password, and that's it. This is an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.